Hi guys, and welcome back to the Cute Kitchen. In this video we are making smoothie bowls, but this time they have tons of autumn flavours that really get you into the autumn mood with jumpers and leaves. I just love autumn and these recipes, so let's get into it. First we're going to be making the blackberry smoothie bowl. To a blender add 3 cups of frozen blackberries. I'm using blackberries in this recipe as it is the perfect time to use them as they are fully in season. There are just so many growing outside. Next, add a tablespoon of natural sweetener. I would have used honey, but I didn't have any in the house at the time, so I used sucrin, which you can use 1-1 substitute for sugar. Now blend this until it goes to a powder-like consistency. This is where we're going to add our liquid. Now I'm adding half a cup of liquid. I'm adding water, but you can add any type of liquid you like, depending on what flavour you want to add to your smoothie. Next, blend this at high speed. You will have to persevere a bit more with this one as it's thicker than the others, but just keep on going and it'll eventually get to the smoothie bowl consistency. Next, add this to your bowl. I absolutely love the texture of this one. It's just so thick and luxurious. But make sure you don't get it on your hands as it does stain a lot, as you can see it stained mine in this video. I'm now topping my smoothie bowl with frozen blackberries. It's good to put frozen fruit on this as it keeps your smoothie bowl cool so it doesn't all melt before you have a chance to eat it. Next I'm adding pumpkin seeds. I'm using these because they are perfect for autumn as they come from pumpkins obviously, and they're great for an extra added bit of nutrients. And that's it, our blackberry smoothie bowl is done. I loved how this one turns out as it is beautiful yet still has that autumn mysterious vibe. Now, it wouldn't be an autumn video without a pumpkin spice recipe, so this is the pumpkin spice smoothie bowl. To a blender, add 1 frozen banana. Make sure you sliced it thin when you froze it, this means it will just blend a lot easier. Then add 1 cup of frozen cooked pumpkin. Make sure you cooked it first because you don't want to be eating raw pumpkin. Now add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Blend this until smooth. Next add another frozen banana. Then add another cup of frozen cooked pumpkin. Blend again until smooth. It should then be this lovely silky consistency. Now you can add this to your bowl. This smoothie bowl is perfect as it just tastes like autumn in a mouthful. It's also a great consistency. Next I'm adding pumpkin seeds around the edge of my smoothie bowl. Next I'm adding these orange jellies to the top of my smoothie bowl. I made them using fruit juice and some vegetarian gelatin. And that's it, my delicious pumpkin spice smoothie bowl is finished. Next up is the hot chocolate smoothie bowl. To your blender add 3 frozen bananas. Then add a 1/4 cup of cacao powder. Now blend until smooth. You can add a 1/4 cup of liquid if your blender doesn't seem to be getting through the chunks. It should be this creamy consistency when done. Now you can add this to a bowl. This smoothie bowl is one of my favourites as it is reasonably easy to blend yet still thick at the end. It also tastes delicious and just like a hot chocolate. I am topping this one with chia seeds, some walnuts, and some goji berries. And that's it, our hot chocolate smoothie bowl is done. Our final smoothie bowl is the cinnamon and apple one. To a blender, add 2 frozen bananas. Then add 1 whole apple. Now add a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now blend this all up until smooth. You can add some more liquid if you like. Now add this to a bowl. Next I topped this off with a little bit of diced apple. Then I sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon on top. And that's it, the apple cinnamon smoothie bowl is finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, as I'm going to be posting some new Halloween videos throughout this week, including Halloween cupcakes and some new Halloween treat ideas. And as always, please like and comment to let me know whether I should make any more smoothie bowl videos. Now, from me, the Cute Kitchen, goodbye.